injongo yokubekwa kwakho apha likhwezi nguThixo is one, but it is twofold, and that is to honor him and to be a blessing to humanity. Ngoba ukhula nje indoda, you're going to come across moment after moment which will require you to decide which way to go. Khangela direction kaThixo kule nto yonke abantu bebhiziyo. uThixo kweliphi icala, you choose that direction. When it comes to a career, you choose that direction. Business, you choose that direction. Clients to take and clients not to take. Whether to go overseas or to stay, you choose the direction of God. Awuzuyazi ke mntana i-direction kaThixo if wena awuke ube nayo your own conversation naye. Umnandi kuThixo in that he is really the most welcome and open father that you can think of. You've got a very strong father. I'm sure xa usiya kutatakho awufuna kube nezango uthethe izinto ezinkulu uzakosiva xa sithethe enkonzweni ngwela tshetshe yesixoko sakayude ayizizwezo sithandazela nini abanisithi baziyakwazi ukuthandaza. Otherwise, when you go to God, it is simply the same as you would go to Brapet as your father. That's it. And that's my reminder to you. Ulapha danam ukuzukisa uThixo. Bedla ngokuthi abazali besikhulu sakhe apha esibosweni sinyusana sisehlana bathi mamtshawu siyaniva futhi ndacikoza nifundile uthini uThixo ngalento. That's basically the point I'm here to make. You are here to honor God in your life as a man, in your life as a human being. That affects everything. How you relate to your parents. How you relate to your sister. I was looking at I had not seen anyone. How you relate to your sister, how you relate to other people, how you relate to people that you don't know, how you relate to people you disagree with. Because as in cool out, people is going to put you in front of people. And sometimes they're not always going to agree with you as a leader. But what is God's will for his people? Whether they like you or they don't. Come on, and this is no small matter, by the way. As Mukula was born, as the family, as the children, and that is he gave you good role models.
Yeah, true
story. Baggage because look, I've been blessed. I've had a great father, but many people are struggling on the father side because of life has happened. So what do you do as a man? God has given you a father. So that is your purpose in life, to honor God in every decision, in every step. Can you mean something that says wherever overseas? These things happen so quickly. Just the other day they are babies, the next they're having children, and then they're having it happens. So but that decision would have been a decision and a career to choose, where to go, where to stay, etc. etc. I'm not saying I was pass.
Of course.
Sometimes you may mess up big time. Yes. But when you have made him your father, just like a pendulum, just like a pendulum, so I can kill and emotion. No, you come home and you humble yourself from Kabazal, and life continues. They will deal with you, but you remain their son. So when we say to you, live to honor God, it doesn't mean that you will never make mistakes. But even as you make mistakes, so even as you make an error in life, you crawl and you move and you make a mistake, but and when you do that, don't worry about what we will say. Yes. Worry about what he will say.
Yes.
And he never stops being your father.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how much you messed up. So that's why you are here. But you are also here to honor God by
yes.
So it's in the shape of the cross. I'm convinced of this. It is in the shape of the cross. The cross stands not by that. Politicians that work on this. But when you will stand and it comes naturally out of you. And as I have said to you, I'll say it again, you have a blessing of role models in that regard.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you know that there are no angels, but so you have a pattern as to how do I deal with people, how do I serve, because your father works for the SLS, for crying out loud. So it doesn't get better than that. So that's why you are here.
Oh.
So what is your next assignment? You may not know, but is God honored in it?
Yeah.
So stop, because it's secret in that. Gisele, Gisele, Gisela Mazoli.